Peace be upon all. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Quran so we can get the day off to a good start. Today we're looking at chapter 3, verse 10. Here Allah says, Innal ladhina kafaru. Indeed, those who do kafaru. That word kafaru we've come across so many times in the Quran. Those people who deny other people the blessings of God. Those who reject the guidance, the instructions of God. Those who disbelieve in the guidance and the instructions of God. They turn away from God's guidance and laws, the natural laws. Lan tughniya anhum. Never will avail them. So there's something that's not going to avail them against something. What is that? Amwaluhum. Their possessions, their wealth. So their wealth. So these people do kafuru, these people. One of the things that they do is that they hoard. They build up and they hoard wealth. They deny other people the blessings from that wealth, those possessions. And they hoard it for their own personal benefits only, to fulfill their own selfish desires. And what God is saying is that for those people, it will be of no avail to them. That wealth, it's going to go to waste. Wala awladuhum, and not their children. So even if their children grow up not to be doing kafru, and let's just say they become mu'min and they submit to God and they believe, that will be of no use to the people who are doing kafru, their parents. Of no use. It doesn't matter if their awlad pray for them or they work for them. Only their kafru, people do kafru, their own deeds will count and their wealth will come to waste. Minallahi shay'an, against God anything. So it will not avail them against the will of God, the system of God, the repercussions that have been designed by God. And the last bit here, wa ulaika hum waqudun nar. And those, they, the fuel of the fire. So these people who do kafuru, who are hoarding their wealth, they will be the fuel of the fire. They will be the source of the fire. That's a very strong warning. Imagine me the source of this pain, of this suffering. These people will be the source. We must reflect. Are we doing kafuru? Peace.